Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with Hedge, our pre-market report. Let's start with some important news update. So, on a positive note, India's IIP growth comes at 5% versus 3.7% expectation, and Indian inflation eases to 3.61% versus 3.98% expectation. And US front, US Feb consumer price rise 2.8% YOY versus estimate of 2.9%. So some positive news from India and US front. Nasdaq was up 1% yesterday. So yesterday, IT index that was dragging Indian markets, can it show some good recovery? RBI to start industry-wide review of derivative position of banks. Now this comes after IndusInd Bank reporting some 1500 crore unreported loss due to derivative hedging transactions. Polycab enters into agreement for 3003 crore with BSNL for BharatNet. BL receives 2463 crore order for Ashwini radar from Indian Air Force. Coromandel International to acquire 53% shareholding in NACL Industry for consideration of 820 crores. Now Canada hit backs with $20.7 billion in retaliatory tariff on US. This includes imports on US steel, aluminum. Now this could be negative for Hindalco. Aster DM founder cut shares pledged to 41% from 99%. Some negative news on MF SIP, mid cap and small cap scheme inflow fall 35%. MTNL received 2387 crore from land monetization since 2019. Indus Tower. So Indus Tower was under pressure yesterday due to Starlink tie-up with telecom companies. But Citi and JP Morgan also expect Indus to give dividend of around 20 rupees in Q4. So this could translate into 6% dividend yield. On cement front, Tamil Nadu increases mineral tax on limestone by 160 rupees per ton. So that's why cement companies were like Dalmia Bharat, Remco, Ultratech Cement were under pressure. So after a recovery in Nasdaq, US market was flat yesterday. Some recovery in European markets as well as Asian markets today. In fact, one thing which we observed that last 2 दिन से when US market was weak for last 3-4 session, Indian market was resilient. So Indian market में हमने बड़ा fall नहीं देखा. After that gap down also we recovered very nicely. So this gives some hope for some recovery could start in Indian markets. So yesterday data front पे CAMS, Wipro में there was a short built up. MCX में long built up था. OI front पे higher call writing, lesser put writing, some unwinding in ITM puts. If you look at open data, slightly higher call writing, but it's balancedly distributed OI data. 22,600 पे I can see resistance, 22,300 पे support. So this could be a range of 300 points to. That's a max range I'm talking about. Now let's analyze Nifty chart. So we are making some bottoming out pattern. What I mean by that is, if you observe here, this fall, recovery and next fall. Now when US market broke its previous low, we haven't came closer to that. Okay. Now important level to be taken out is, as I talked about, so यहाँ पे हमने already बात किया था that if 22,660 to 22,800 zone नहीं निकाल पाते, there could be dip possible. Now that dip was not that strong. So if you look at लोअर टाइम फ्रेम, अगर हम छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे से 30 मिनट 50 मिनट पे देखें तो यहाँ पे एक कप एंड हैंडल पैटर्न बनते हुए दिख रहा है, बट ऑब्वियसली उसका ब्रेकआउट वुड बी अबोव दिस जोन। तो नाउ 22,640 से लेके 22,800 का जोन एक इंपॉर्टेंट जोन बनता है। ये जोन के ऊपर we would be aiming for 23,250 target. Now again that would be a trend line somewhere around here, and that would be the next level because this was a old breakdown level also. So yes, some respite in Nifty। अगर आज के लेवल की बात करें, स्ट्रॉन्ग अबो लेवल रहेगा 22,520 sorry for target of 22,661 and 22,725, and week below level रहेगा 22,331, below which 22,214 and 22,094 would be the targets. Now यहां पे एक डबल बॉटम बनते हुए दिख रहा है जिसका नेकलाइन ब्रेकआउट रहेगा 22,520 के ऊपर, and there would be small trend line breakout also. So can good IIP inflation data easing US inflation can bring some cheers to market. Now only issue remains globally is the tariff war. The aggressively US is putting tariff on everyone. That remains crucial. But US market पे हमने एक डिस्कस किया था that US market उसका weekly lower band पे है. Yesterday only I have shown the chart. So this warrants some recovery there also. अब बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट अगर आप देखो, हम लोग एक इन्फ्लेक्शन पॉइंट पे है. So this level provided multiple supports, and yesterday after gap down we recovered day 4 yesterday. कल भी रिकवरी देखने मिला. So ये लेवल एक बार के लिए सेव कर लिया था बैंकिंग ने, बट कीप क्लोज वॉच ऑन 47,850 लेवल. इसके नीचे कभी भी बैंक निफ्टी दिखे देन यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस. नाउ विल बी आइंग फॉर दिस ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट. अगर आज मार्केट में रिकवरी आता है, and upside we have to watch for this trend line breakout, which would be around somewhere I can say 48,300 to 400 zone. So yes, एक रेंज में है. अब इनफैक्ट इसका बेनिफिट कैसे मिला? What I have done when market was around here, so when month started, March month में I have taken an iron fly of 48,500 and hedged it. So fully hedge iron fly था मेरे पास, and market is remaining in range. So that is giving some decent profit. So what I'm doing now, iron fly and butterfly. So managing iron fly with butterflies and keeping it fully hedged overnight throughout the month and try to extract some profit. Now iron fly and butterflies, they offer really good ROI. इनका ROI बहुत अच्छा होता है. नाउ बटरफ्लाई पे रिसेंटली एक कोर्स मैंने लॉन्च किया है. अगर आपको बटरफ्लाई सीखना है, ज्वाइन दैट कोर्स. लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा. जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो. एंड अगर आपको ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन सेमिनार्स अटेंड करने हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक है, उसमें अपना डिटेल्स फिल कीजिए. यू विल गेट अ इन्विटेशन एंड आप वो अटेंड कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू टुमारो.